Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your face into a doll using this new effect on CapCut. So if you are on CapCut, you need to see this effect, so you can easily find the doll effect under the body effects. Here the effect is also now trending, this one, but you can always find the effect under the roll category, this one. So if you click on the doll effect, your face will be changed into a doll character like this. So you can just adjust the effect for whole clips, and that's it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.